Here we are in the mash house at Bruichladdich. It's Friday afternoon, so everything's cleaned down for the weekend. It gives you the chance to see what the mash tun looks like. This is an old traditional mash tun from 1881. As all the equipment in this distillery, we've still got all the original stuff here. So this is a site you won't really see anymore. 7 tons of barley goes in here, 36,000 litres of water from the loch in the hills behind, and it goes in at 65 Celsius, and the sugar molecules are dissolved into that water, and you can see from the slotted floor that the sweet water percolates through the grist and through the slotted floor. You can ignore the big holes, that's just for getting rid of the debris at the end. But it goes through that slotted floor, which is a false floor. And this brown, because of the peaty water and the malty content of the malt, of the malted barley, flows away through a heat exchanger below us, which cools it down to 20 degrees Celsius, which is the temperature that will allow the yeast to operate in. Any hotter than that and the yeast would get killed.